In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Demo Company in Xero. By the end, you'll be confidently working inside Xero's fully loaded practice environment, perfect for learning features or testing ideas without touching your real books. Start by opening Xero in your browser and signing in as you normally would. You'll land on your dashboard or home page, which is exactly where you need to be. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for your current organization name near the top of the navigation area. This is the organization switcher. Click that name to open the menu. Think of this menu as your quick way to jump between any organizations you have access to, including the built-in demo. In the menu that appears, find and select Demo Company labeled with Global in parentheses. Go ahead and click it. Xero will switch you over right away. In some layouts, you may see a brief loading state or a confirmation. Just proceed and you'll arrive in the demo environment. You're now inside the Demo Company. You'll recognize it by the sample data already populated across the dashboard. Invoices, bills, bank accounts, and reports are all pre-filled so you can explore real workflows without any risk. This is a safe sandbox. You can create or edit invoices, reconcile bank transactions, tweak settings, and test reporting. Any changes you make here will not affect your actual organization. In many cases, the demo data refreshes on a regular basis, so it's easy to start fresh if you want to try something different next time. Here are a few helpful tips while you're in the demo. First, use this space to practice end-to-end tasks, like raising a sales invoice, applying a payment, and seeing how it flows into bank reconciliation and reports. Second, explore settings you might hesitate to touch in production, such as chart of accounts or invoice branding. The demo is an ideal place to learn the impact of those options. And third, keep an eye out for any banner or label that confirms you're in the Demo Company so you always know you're experimenting in the right place. If you don't immediately see the demo option in the organization menu, make sure you're on the main Xero homepage or dashboard and that the organization switcher is expanded. A quick refresh can also help bring it into view. That's all there is to it. Open Xero. Click your company name on the left to open the menu, and choose Demo Company Global. Enjoy exploring, practicing, and building confidence without any pressure.